personal guides and content like this. Now, ChatGPT is basically an automated bot that helps us do a whole lot of things, right? So when using it rightly, you can achieve a whole lot of things. If you come on here on the dashboard, you can ask it any kind of question you want to ask it, right? You can come on here, what can I help with? Then from this tab below, you can see some other. You can come on here and get advice on salary negotiation. I can come on here and say, get advice on how to make money online. Right? Then once you have typed in this, you'd see it to give you some tips right here, how to make money online, freelancing, selling product or service, content creation. Like this, a whole lot of things. And this ChatGPT, like if you use it well enough, it would help you with some daily tasks, right? So this tool basically is a very, very essential tool if you're an online entrepreneur wanting to scale through your business or wanting to achieve some certain amount of, will I say, financial success here online. You need the help of at least this bot to help you get some things working in order, right? So you can still summarize a text, right? If you copy a whole lengthed text, you can come on here, paste it, and you can click this summarize text. It will help you and summarize it. You can still come on here and get advice on anything you want to get advice on. You click this small setting, make a plan for a birthday. Right? So you come on here, set a time and dates, determine the type of party, budget, venue, guest list, like a whole lot of things. You can come on and ask it any questions, right? To give you the honest answer you need, right? So this tool, it really helps a lot. You can use it to solve a whole lot of problem. I can come on here and write, let's say I want to make $100. Let me see, $100. Give me some good tips for savings, right? Come on here, click the enter button. You would see it. If you're looking to save up $100, you track your spendings, automate your savings, use cash envelopes or budgeting, cut out unnecessary subscription. Like this, a whole lot of things. This is how you can use ChatGPT. And you can basically log in to your account. If you have a Gmail account, you can log in. But I think I prefer it this way, right? I think it's okay like this for me. So this is basically how you can use ChatGPT. If you got any questions you want to ask me, do well to share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around till the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the very next one.